In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your engine splash shield on this Chevy Silverado. It's located right behind your front bumper on the front of the truck. Let's get started. Take a 15mm socket and remove the 4 15mm bolts that hold this splash shield on to get it off here. Hold on to it, take the last one off. There it is. Take your new splash shield, have the bolts ready, just so you can start at least one once you get it lined up. That way it'll stay on here. Once you start one, you can let go and start in the other ones. Don't tighten any of them until they're all started, otherwise you'll have some trouble lining it up. Now snug it up. I like to start with the rear, that way it pulls it up onto the body of the vehicle. There you have it, that's installed. You do not need to make this very tight, just nice and snug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.